Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to schedule dark mode on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want to save more power on your phone, you can try to schedule dark mode when your phone is not in use at night or at certain times, because the dark mode menu can save your phone's battery more longer. And how to schedule dark mode is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's check it out the tutorial. Okay, first go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down, and here now you can go to display, and then after that now you can go to dark mode settings, and then now you can turn on the scheduled dark mode. You can choose either sunset to sunrise, so when nighttime your phone will turn to dark mode, or you can custom the schedule. The dark mode will start at certain times and end at the certain times that you set before. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching.